Hi, I'm John from Lizard Skins. We will be doing a new install of the Lizard Skins DSP Ultra Bar Tape. Whether your bike needs a refresh on new tape or it's a new bike that's starting from scratch, we'll cover the steps to make sure your tape is installed the right way. This is what you'll need for the install: is a pair of scissors, a 3mm Allen wrench, some alcohol prep to clean off your bars, and some electrical tape. Included will be 2 rolls of DSP Ultra Bar Tape, your clamp cover, the finishing tape, and a screw-in bar end plug. To start, you'll remove all of your old bar tape. You'll want to make sure you have a clean surface, free of oils or any dirt, to make sure you have a clean surface to work with. You'll also want to have clean hands to make sure grease doesn't transfer to the tape, or so the bar tape doesn't slip. Remove the adhesive backing. I like to remove all of it so that you don't encounter a problem while you're wrapping. To start your wrap, you'll want to go in this direction, away from the bike. And I like to overhang about half of the bar tape off of the end. That's a good way to start. You won't want to stretch your tape. You just want to be firm wraps. And then every wrap needs to be a little over halfway over the previous wrap. If you do them too tight, you won't have enough to finish up top. If you do them too loose, you won't get the full advantage of the DSP. When you get to here, you'll want to get your clamp cover. Remove its adhesive backing as well. Cover up your clamp. Your ASMR should just be those squeaky sounds. You want to make sure to fold the hoods back over to ensure you've covered the clamp. Once you've reached the spot where you want to end your bar tape, usually about 2 to 3 inches from your stem clamp, you'll want to cut the inside portion of this tape at an angle. Check, make sure all of your wraps are the right distance and everything looks good, your clamp is covered. And you use the electrical tape to secure it in place. I like to only use enough tape, just the width of the tape, so that it doesn't shine out underneath the finishing strip. With your finishing strip, before you take the backing off, I like to wrap it around to understand where the ends will be. This one I would go start it underneath so that it finishes underneath. So try not to touch the finish strip at the very end. Pull your hoods back and insert your bar plug. I like to loosen it a little bit. Make sure all the edges are underneath and snug it up.